All right, so we have values. We can see up above, and they produce this geometric sequence, which tells me right away it's exponential. Also, I can see that this creates this basic shape like this, and when you have an exponential function, right, it's going to come down, cut through, it's going to be like this. So it's been translated to the right as well, I can see that. Let's just see what some of these points are. This is 212. This looks like we want some exact points. 3, 6, and this is 4, 3. Just keeping that in mind. Well, I'm going to come over to the side, and I'm going to write this down. So we have n and g of n, the input and the output. And let's just put these down. 2 corresponds to 12. We can see it maps on. 3 maps on to 6. 4 maps on to 3. Remember, with exponential functions, we're going to have an equal distance between the values of input values, and for the output values, there's going to be a proportional relationship, which means we're going to be multiplying by the same number consistently. So here, to get down, we are dividing by 2. Well, that's the same as multiplying by 1/2. Again, dividing by 2, which is the same as multiplying by 1/2. And if you look down below, we're going to have this general equation, which is g of n equals a times r raised to the n. Now, the r is the rate, so I know the rate is 1/2, and I can see that that's already there. We're going to take this general shape here, and we're going to ask ourselves, if we translate it back to this position, where would it cross the y-axis? So what would be the initial point? So if I move it back, we can see I have an initial value. So if each one of these was moved back 2, I can see right here, right? I can see that this would cross the y-axis at a value of 12. Well, this initial value, a, that's going to be our y-intercept. So a is going to be 12. We can see 12 as in, we can cancel out the as in each of these options. So at this time, I have g of n equals 12 times 1/2. And now when we raise it to the n, remember, we just had to shift this back because it's been translated to the right too. Now when you translate to the right, we're going to lie up here. So it's not just going to be n, it's going to be n minus 2. When it moves to the right, it's going to be opposite of what you believe, making the correct answer option C.